In this video I will explain which memory card is compatible with Xiaomi Mi 360 2K security camera, and I will demonstrate how to insert a memory card inside the camera correctly. Hello and welcome to LevinsReview. My name is David and thank you so much for joining us. If you look around the camera, you will not find the slot of the memory card. And the most asked questions are which memory card is compatible with this camera and how to insert a memory card into the camera. But before I will answer the question and demonstrate everything, if you still don't have security camera and you're looking for a great security camera at a budget price point, then I strongly recommend the Xiaomi Mi 360 2K security camera. And of course I will put the links in the description. The camera works with micro SD card with capacity up to 32 GB. And you don't need fast memory card, you can use any micro SD card, which is very cheap nowadays, so you don't need to expend extra money. And I will put link to the memory card in the description. To insert the memory SD card to the slot, firstly push up the lens until you see the memory slot. We will now insert the card with the caption facing up and the contacts facing down. Use your nail to push the micro SD card to the slot until you hear a click, and the memory card is inside. If you want to take out the memory card, push the micro SD card inside. It will come out a little bit, then pull the card gently out. Guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it and you find it helpful, please click the like and subscribe button. If you have any comment or questions, let me know in the comments down below. I wish you a beautiful day and I will see you soon.